In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Kajabi website, providing you with a comprehensive guide for 2025, whether you're crafting a digital platform for your business or exploring new ways to reach your audience. Setting up a website on Kajabi is both intuitive and flexible. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to the Kajabi homepage, where you'll begin the process by logging into your account. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to sign up and set up your details before proceeding with this tutorial. Once you've accessed your dashboard, you might be prompted to continue to Google for verification. This step ensures your project's security and aligns your account credentials smoothly. When you're successfully logged in, head to the left-hand menu and click on the website section. This is where the magic begins, as Kajabi centralizes all the tools required to create and manage your web presence effectively. Next, click on the design option that you'll find there. This section serves as your creative playground, allowing you to customize your website's look and feel. As you click through to design, you'll see various options that might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll walk you through it all. Once in the design area, you need to find and click on the template store. This is a repository of professionally crafted templates designed to suit various business needs and aesthetics. Browsing through the store, you'll notice the range of themes available. They range from minimalist designs tailored for bloggers to vibrant layouts perfect for showcasing products and services. Now comes one of the most exciting parts, choosing your template. While selecting a template, consider what aligns best with your branding and goals so that it resonates with your audience. Remember, some templates are more adaptive to specific types of content, so keep your future plans in mind. Once you've fallen in love with a template, click on Add to Save Templates. This action stores your chosen design in your library and makes it readily available for the customizations you'll apply next. Now, with your template saved, you're ready to customize your website. Spend some time exploring the different customization options Kajabi offers. From adjusting font styles and colors to adding images and content, the platform provides a range of features to mold your site according to your unique vision. Take your time here, as your brand representation is key to engaging your audience effectively. That's it for creating your own Kajabi website. You've learned how to navigate the platform, select a template, and prepare it for customization. Harness this setup to showcase your brand online and connect effectively with your audience. Remember, the flexibility of Kajabi allows you to make changes anytime, so continue exploring and optimizing your site as your business grows. Thanks for joining me today, and happy building!